Welcome back to another video. Today we have gifts under $50 from Home Depot, mostly power tool, accessories, and uh, pretty much organizers and stuff like that. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers and platform by subscribers and likes. So help us out by doing so. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're at the Home Depot website. We're going to be looking at $50 or less. So however you get here is go to homedepot.com. homedepot.com, you select up to 40% off select tools. Kind of slow. And then you choose this here, gifts under $50. All right. All right. To start here, first one we got Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Titanium Drill Bit Set, 23 piece, $24.99. It's a great bit set. Last year I believe we got the one with the bigger bit in the middle as a bonus. This year we just got the regular 23 piece, so $24.97, basically $1 a piece for some titanium bits. I think it's a great deal because they are titanium. Next one, you got the rigid 14-gallon 6 peak horsepower. You know, this is a little on the regular. Mostly you would see it for that price. Sometimes when it goes on sale, but they are including a whole lot of stuff, accessories, so that makes it worth it to get for $119. This one, a lot of you guys out there, let me know down in the comment section if you do or if you don't. But a lot of you out there are saying that these are basically trash. I don't know. I never used them myself personally, as in me going out and I seen them and I felt them before, but I haven't used them out there, especially in the field. So if you guys got any bad comments or any stories of these, let us know down in the comments. But anyways, I think it's a good price, $14.97 for two. This is the 18 volt lithium 8-piece kit from drill, impact driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw, center impact wrench, blower, and 3 amp hour batteries, I guess. You got two 3 amp hour batteries, I guess. Anyways, I think you're getting most bang for your buck with Makita. However, there's a lot of good deals right now. Buy one get one free, as above here. It says up to 2 tools for free. But you know what? This is not a bad deal. Makita is one of the better brands there for your bang for your buck there, basically. $3.99. I think it's a good deal if you want to just buy one whole kit and just get rid of, or get all the tools that you need. All right, you got the DeWalt. This is another great deal. DeWalt Max Fit screwdriver set with the sleeve, 30 piece, $9.97. If you guys can't find it in the store, purchase it online. I know a lot of stores are out of them already. According to this store near me, it does have them. But yeah, like I said, and they got the buy one get one free, I believe, for Ryobi. If you guys haven't seen my video, go ahead and check it out. All right, here's my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is my channel here. You basically go down here to Ryobi. You go down here. I know I have a lot of Black Friday deals or videos out there. This is the Ryobi free promo battery. Basically, it's a discounted. You get the tool for a discounted price. Basically, like $20 or $30 off if you buy that kit. You feel free to return the battery, or not the battery, the kit or the tool. Get a discounted price. Anyways, a lot of people are doing that, but you are getting a good deal on this one. So if you like Ryobi, watch this video so you guys could see that video or see that promotion. But anyways, it's at a discounted price, so it's $49. That's a good price there. DeWalt Black and Gold bid sets, 14 piece, $9.97. Another good one here. These are not titanium, but they're black and gold. They'll get the job done. Basically, I will go for titanium. You got the Shockwave 15 piece for $14.97. It's a little bit more inexpensive. If you're in the pack out, you got the pack out tool storage crate, $39.97. You got a battery here, a 3 amp hour high capacity battery with the HP. These are the better batteries, $49 from Ryobi. You got the Advanti Pro 10-inch by 62 fine finished saw blade 2-pack. These are 10 inches, 62, $24.97. Then you got a rigid 1-layer standard plated paper filter for most 5-gallon and larger rigid vacs 2-pack for $19.90. That's a good deal on this. You got the multi-tool, $49. And then you got the 12-inch 82 fine finish, $34.97. A lot of framers out there, a lot of professionals use this brand. It's an okay brand. Obviously, Diablo's a much better brand than that. You got the Milwaukee Bulldozer. This is the 9-piece for $29.97. You got the Ryobi Impact driving kit, 70-piece, $12.90. It's a good impact kit, especially for the DIY, very inexpensive. You got the Rigid 1/4, 1 1/4 premium car cleaning accessory by Rigid Wet Dry Vex, $39.97. I believe this was $20. Wasn't this like $20? I don't know why they raised the price. I think they raised the price on this. That was like $19, or I believe. Anyways, you got the Ryobi 18 volt. I just did the review on this one. Let's see here. It's one of my latest videos right here. So sure to check it out. Be sure to check that video out. Let's see here. I did the video on this one too. It's on my channel. Got the fastback folding utility knives with blade storage, compact utility knife with 2 general purpose blades, 2-pack, $14.97. It's a great deal there. That's a really great deal on this. Oh, this is not a bad deal. Ryobi stationary miter saw stand with the toolless height adjustment, $69.97. That's a great deal there. If you own a miter saw, you got the space, or if you want to, move it around and stuff like that. 1/4 by 50 feet polyurethane air hose, $17.97. This is another great deal. It's almost sold out pretty much everywhere. So be sure to get it online. 7-inch rafter square and 4.5 trim square sets. Got the Bosch Blaze 165 laser measure out of square footage, $39.98. You got the Diablo 7 1/4 42 saw blade 2-pack, 23. It's not a bad deal. However, I believe we've seen. Oh yeah, these are 42. That's why they're for $23.90, $23.74. You got the Coast 435 lumen dual color LED headlamp for $19.88. See, these are the framing. These are the ones that I was saying they're cheaper. See, these are the rough cut, basically 24 tooth framing circular saw blades, $12.88. And then you got the Ryobi oxide, really basic DIY, $7.97. It's a great price for DIY. They're all-in-one inclusive kit. Guys, this is $17.97. If you guys could find the kit with this and the 35 bit set, 35 piece, it's $14.97. So I would definitely go for that. This is a great deal here. Empire 48 aluminum I-beam level, 24-inch aluminum I-beam set of 2-piece, $24.88. Let's see here. You got the Milwaukee 100 lumens out of stock. It's another great DIY kit. Pretty much a large kit there. It includes some blades, some spade bits, or spade, and some more bits in there, and some hole saws in the right. Alright, you got, this is a great deal. Milwaukee Salsa bimetal. Guys, this went down in price. Nice, because we seen this for $19.97. I guess nobody's buying this. Maybe that's why it's going down in price. Guys, this is a great deal here. In my store, they're still $19.97. So if you could find them online, go ahead and jump on that if you need them. You get a total of 20 pieces for $14.97. That's a great deal. Even at 20, I got them for $19.97. I paid for them. I thought I was getting a good deal, but look at this, $14.97. Got the Milwaukee 450 lumen LED spotlight, 2988. You got the inflators here. You got the scissors here for 497. This is a great deal. Actually, at the stores, isn't this for 997 at the stores? Maybe they raised the price on that. All right, you got the subsystem box. This is the 1.0. The first one, $59. Got the impact rated at 50 piece from Ryobi, $797. Got some Milwaukee gold skin, $1797. Let's see what else we got. I'm not gonna keep going for long. We're just gonna take a. We got the Fat Maxes. This is pretty much one of the better tape measures that you could get. Usually framers and construction people use this. 1988. You got the Makita Impact X driver bit set, 100 piece, 1996. A great. Looks like you're getting a whole lot of bits there. You got the XR. Not really a deal there. You got the hook and pick set, 7 piece. I still need to make a video on this one, $9.97. Smoking deal. You got, I believe if you choose this one, it does give you like a option so you can choose a free tool. It should say number 2 is included. It doesn't give you an option. It doesn't. I guess yeah, you can choose a circular saw. That's about it. So I guess in store is probably the better way to get a better deal on that one. You got the Milwaukee extra large demolition gloves, 14 cents, a great deal on this. I still gotta get mine. I haven't gotten mine. This is the free kit. Make sure to check it out. These you can get a free tool if you buy that kit. You got the demolition gloves. You got breaker bar. This breaker bar is a little too small or too not long enough. I would definitely go. Harbor Freight has some nice ones for just a little bit less than that. Some longer ones. So be sure to check out the Pittsburgh Pro, I believe. Got the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty driver bit set, 45 piece, $14.97. Let's see if we can find any more deals here that pop out. Here's $14.97 for the Max Impact screwdriver sets. Some more gloves. All right, guys, I'm not gonna keep you guys make this video too long. Anyways, I'm gonna cut it right here. But if you guys need to find all the kits, basically all the deals that they got, the special buys, whatever you want to call them, for under $50. Go to that section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.